How does a group of 11 dogs make the decision that now is the right time to hunt? The secret is a pre-hunt rally. The whole pack performs high-energy, almost play-like behavior. The dog version of a pre-match huddle, getting each family member in sync and fired up. But scientists studying the ninja pack and other wild dog packs in the Okavango have discovered something even more intriguing. Just before and during a rally, the dogs begin to sneeze. There are several theories as to why the dogs do this, but one study suggests it could, believe it or not, be a complex voting system. If there are enough sneezes, the pack will be more likely to move off and hunt. If not, they will stay and rest.